Sometimes your roof is just talking to you.
Hello, I am your roof.
No, not with words, that would be weird, but it does communicate that it's nearing the end of its life. Hey, I'm Craig. I'm a roofing advisor with KangaRoof in Round Rock, Texas. One of the most common questions homeowners ask us is, how do I know when it's time to replace my roof? In this video, we're walking you through 7 common warning signs that could mean your roof is nearing the end of its life. Sign number 1. Your roof is over 20 years old. If your roof was installed in 2005, yeah, it was installed when we used flip phones to vote for our favorite singer on American Idol and still rented DVDs from Blockbuster. But age alone doesn't automatically mean your roof needs to be replaced. It does mean it should be inspected regularly. Years of Texas sun, wind, rain, and hail slowly wear down your shingles, causing them to become brittle and more susceptible to leaks. The roof is most likely on borrowed time if it's 20 years old. Sign number 2, your shingles are curling, cracking, or missing. Shingles are your roof's first line of defense. Think of them like the armor protecting the real structural components of the roof. And when the armor starts cracking or pieces start flying off, leaks become a real issue. Now don't panic, a few damaged shingles can often be repaired. But if you're seeing curling or cracking all over the roof, or you've had to call a roofer every couple years doing repair after repair, stop the repair madness. At some point, all those repair bills start adding up. A full roof replacement can save you money in the long run and give you peace of mind for years to come. Sign number 3, you're finding shingle granules in your gutters. That sand-like grit isn't just dirt, it's the protective granules from your shingles. A few granules are normal, but if your gutters are filling up with them every storm, your shingles are wearing out and losing their protection. Sign number 4, you're seeing water stains or roof leaks. If water is getting into your house, your roof has officially stopped doing its job. Every leak can damage your insulation, rot your roof decking, stain your ceilings, and chip away at your home's value. If you're patching leak after leak, it may be time to stop the cycle. A roof replacement can solve the problem once and for all. Sign number 5, your roof is sagging. If your roof has more dips than a country dance floor, we've got a problem. A sagging roof usually means the structure underneath has weakened by years of moisture and deterioration. And unlike your uncle's belly after a big Thanksgiving dinner, your roof isn't supposed to sag. If you notice a dip or a low spot, don't wait. Structural problems rarely get cheaper and they definitely don't fix themselves. This is a big sign you're probably going to need a replacement. Sign number 6, your energy bills just keep climbing. This could be why. If your AC is working more overtime than a guy pulling double shifts at the plant, your roof could be part of the problem. During a Texas summer, your attic can reach 130 degrees plus. As your roof ages, more of the heat gets trapped, forcing your AC to work even harder. But a new roof that's properly sealed, built with modern ventilation, like this solar-powered attic fan or a ridge vent like this one, helps push all that unwanted heat right out of your attic. Sign number 7, your roof has survived one too many Texas storms. Around here, Texas weather doesn't exactly play nice. One storm may not finish off your roof, but one storm after another, eventually the damage starts to add up. It compounds. And after any major storm, have your roof inspected. Not all storm damage is obvious, but catching it early will help you make the best decision. Our goal is to educate homeowners about the roofing process so you can make the best decision for your home. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a free roof inspection, visit callkangaroof.com or give us a call. We'd be happy to help. And always remember, at KangaRoof, we hop to it.